Alright, what is up, guys and girls? Today I'm going to be going over how to sound like Smokepurpp Glock inside my Benz. This is going to be a fast tutorial with no edits and stuff like that. I'm just going to be going over the effects I use to record on my voice and then playing it, or how you apply it to mixing a little bit, I guess. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, don't buy FLPs from all these other YouTubers because I'm giving them out for free. And 9 times out of 10, the people that are selling the FLPs don't own the software. So why buy from people that are, trying to rip you off by selling the FLP? There's no point in buying FLPs, all right, guys? I'm giving them for free. It's pretty easy to replicate. And I'll be showing you how to open an FLP or a zip file in FL Studio's next video. All right, so here we are. Smokepurpp, Glock inside my Benz. Let's just go ahead and take off one by one and just play it without the effects real quick.
I don't want no friends, don't want no friends. I love by your Benz, don't want no friends. In my pocket, dead presidents. I don't want no friends, don't want no friends.
Alright, there we are. And then we have a background vocal.
I don't want no friends, don't want no friends. I love by your Benz, don't want no friends. In my pocket, dead presidents. I don't want no friends, don't want no friends.
And then we have our ad-libs, okay?
I don't want no friends, don't want no friends. I love by your Benz, don't want no friends. In my pocket, dead presidents. I don't want no friends, don't want no friends.
And let's go ahead and just go over the effects real quick. We're going to run straight through this because, yeah. All right, so we have our EQ. Basically, we're just cutting off our lows. So, yeah, just cut it around here. I forgot where I left it at, but yeah. Limiter, you don't have to use this. You could just use Soundgoodizer and keep stacking that, but it's okay. Go ahead and throw a threshold. Always have this in the middle of these white volume waves. You just want to set this threshold in the middle of those waves and then put the threshold on about 3 to 2.9. And whenever you do that, it makes the volume of the whole track go down. So increase the volume using the gain. Auto tune of this song, we have key B minor, and set the scale to chromatic, which gives you more notes to be played whenever you're singing. Instead of just snapping to certain notes, it has more notes, so it sounds a lot more smoother. And press set to minor, chromatic, set to minor, retune speed 0, which means like real fast. Next we have a limiter again, threshold, same settings basically. Soundgoodizer, which is a compressor. All we have is we set it to A and just have it set around to 24%, whatever that is, 30, 36, something. And go ahead and have a default chorus. It's going to sound like this. I'm not going to show you how it sounds actually, but it's default settings, and you cut it like around halfway, mix it down halfway. EQ settings, yeah, just copy these settings. If you don't know how to do that, just load the FLP up. Don't worry about having to do all that. And then we have our reverb, which we don't use on the recording track, and a limiter, which you don't have to use either. So basically the limiter, we have it actually set to limiter right here. We click that, and we lower this ceiling down to sit on top of the vocals, so it doesn't, the volume on the vocals stay more even, and it doesn't surpass wherever you set the threshold at. And then, yeah, so here are the effects that we actually put on each vocal track. So here it is again.
I don't want no friends, don't want no friends. I love by your Benz, don't want no friends. I don't want no friends, don't want no friends.
Alright, so we're going to be focusing on this track real quick. And yeah, we're already passing 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and add in a limiter, threshold, or a compressor. Basically the same settings again. Maybe just lighten up on the ratio. And EQ, just higher up to 7 a little bit. And coarse, default setting coarse, mix it down to about 25% by clicking this little wheel right here, turning it down or pushing it down. And guess what? We have another reverb. This time our settings are at wet, 48%, decay right there, size, default, high cut over here, just higher it up to about 7.2 kilohertz, low cut around 1,000, I guess. And let's play it out.
I don't want no friends, don't want no friends. I love how your bitch don't want no friends. In my pocket, dead presidents. I don't want no friends, don't want no friends.
So yeah, it sounds pretty good. And that's pretty much it. On this one right here, you just want to increase the reverb and the chorus and just lower it down. That's it for that track. And here it is at 5. Just the reverb was increased, decay was increased, and that's it for that.
I don't want no friends, don't want no friends. I love how your bitch don't want no friends.
And last thing we do is set a delay on a separate insert. So let's go ahead and just name this vocals. And this is our delay. So we have it at a separate insert. Put the time to 4 and just set the cut around right there. Go ahead and throw a limiter on there. But hold on, before you do that, have your vocals linked to the second or to the delay, to the delay insert by clicking this. Highlight the vocals, click this button. There you go, they're on. And then add a limiter. Make sure you have compressor set and move this up. It's going to be 1 on the side chain. Push this threshold all the way down. Put the ratio like around here, or you can just set the ratio right there, like up, all the way up.
I don't want no friends, don't want no friends. I love how your bitch don't want no friends. In my pocket, dead presidents. I don't want no friends, don't want no friends.
Yeah, I don't know if you can hear the delay, but all it does is just add more, it thickens up the vocals. That's pretty much it. So yeah, guys, don't buy FLPs. Go ahead and download mine. I'll be leaving them in the description box below. I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Subscribe if you're brand new. Comment down below who you want to see next. And peace. Peace. Oh.